Watch and profit review. Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm gonna give you a full review about watch to profit. Should you buy this and where should you buy this? I will give you all of the details in this video. So what you need to do now, simply you need to watch this demo video of the watch to profit, and I will give you a full review about watch to profit. So before I start this video, I will play a demo video of watch to profit so you have the idea how its software works and what you need to do after purchasing this software. Okay, then I talk about the sales page and my bonus page with my exclusive bonus for you for free if you pick up watch to profit through my link. Okay, so if you are new in my channel, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the notification set all, and let's get started.
Is it really possible to power on your phone or computer, watch a video on a website like YouTube or Netflix, and get paid $356.07 an hour? Well, you'll likely find the answer to be yes. See, over the past 24 months, my team and I have been working hard on a new solution that's paying our members to watch videos. And it was made possible by exploiting a secret $502 billion loophole. Introducing Watch to Profit. Watch to Profit is the world's first app that pays us to watch our favorite videos on all of our favorite websites. That means we can get paid for watching football, watching the news, watching funny animal videos, learning new recipes. It doesn't matter what you watch, you could even be getting paid to watch your favorite TV series on Netflix. All you have to do is activate Watch to Profit to ensure you get paid. Here's how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Click any of the buttons on this page to get a copy of Watch to Profit. Step 2. Activate the monetization. This is the secret sauce that makes the magic happen, allowing us to get paid $300s per hour. And Step 3. Start watching any video and get paid for every video you watch. After our members follow these 3 steps, they're able to receive payments directly to their PayPal or bank accounts. And you too could start doing the same, but only if you have Watch to Profit. We spent 48 minutes watching Netflix and made $251.09. We watched basketball for 56 minutes and made $278.94. And to finish the day, we watched YouTube for 59 minutes and made $356.07. It doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you get paid for watching videos? Now, originally, we planned on selling Watch to Profit on a webinar for $1,997 one time. And although that is a hefty price, plenty would take us up on it, because it would quickly pay for itself. But hey, I get it. $1,997 is a lot of money to put up front. So, to make this accessible to anyone and everyone out there, I'm going to reduce the price to something that anyone can afford. Just the price of a cheap t-shirt gets you full access to Watch to Profit. However, this discount will not be available to everyone. See, if we let everyone on the planet use Watch to Profit, it would likely become quickly saturated. And we're not going to allow that to happen. So, to ensure that Watch to Profit keeps making its users money, we will only be taking in so many members. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. So, if you like the sound of watching your favorite videos on sites like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix, then do not delay any longer. It is a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee. And to make this a total no-brainer, we'll give you $100 in cash for wasting your time. So, what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. Either you get a copy of Watch to Profit and get paid for watching your favorite videos, or you get all of your money back. Both ways, you win. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of Watch to Profit at the lowest price. We'll see you inside.
Okay guys, so now I'm here inside of the sales page of Watch to Profit. So I will show you what is Watch to Profit all about. So Watch to Profit is like do you watch on web series on Netflix on, and you watching daily videos on YouTube, Instagram, and or other social media platforms, so you get money. Okay, how? This is a loophole. Okay, so you see here on the sales page, you can watch this video, so you have the idea how this is work. Okay, and yeah, this is the sales page of the watch to profit. You see here, uh, so many people make their commission out there. Okay, you see so many people, like you see here. Okay, and here they show you the 3 steps of watch to profit money. Okay, so how you can activate your system, then you can watch and earn money. Okay, and there we have some bonuses. Then, so let's talk about my bonus page with my custom bonuses for you for free if you pick up watch to profit through my link. Okay, so let's jump on the bonus page. So yeah, this is the bonus page of watch to profit. If you are watching this video on YouTube, what you need to do, simply click on the first link in description and you are come on this page. And if you are ready to buy this product, what you need to do after coming on this page, you need to click on this any orange button on the page that I mentioned, so many buttons inside this page, so you can come on this website, so you can purchase. Okay, so let's talk about my bonuses. So what you need to do after coming on this page, first of all you need to watch this video right there. Okay, because this is a demo video. Okay, so first what you need to do, simply watch this video. So let's talk about my bonuses. So bonus number 1, I am giving away the lost code. So what is the lost code all about? So the lost code is all about traffic, and this is a secret. Okay, like you are doing webinars, but what is the perfect way to do webinars? In this training they will show you how you can build your buyer list. Okay, and they will show you in this training 3 secrets. So bonus number 1, I am giving away the lost code. This is insane. This bonus, when I purchased this training, this is the best training that I ever seen. Okay, so bonus number 2, I am giving away how you can build your buyer list. And in any business, the email list is so many people thought and say like this, money in the list, money in the email list. Okay, so you can build your buyer list for free. And what is the easiest way to build your buyer list? So John Armstrong will teach you how you can do that. Okay, then I am giving away my bonus number 3 is loophole link. Loophole link. So what is loophole link all about? Loophole link is a loophole, like so many people in the training, they will teach you can give away some free, so you get leads instantly, so you can build your own and unique content ebook by using loophole link. Okay, so this is the best software. I use this software, and very well, it's work like very well, and they have so many different things. So you can search on internet what is loophole link, that you can search like loophole link review, and you get so many information about this product. Okay, so bonus number 4, I am giving away the lockdown formula. So what is lockdown? In the pandemic, so many people is lost their job. Okay, so this is the way to grow faster in a lockdown, because in lockdown so many people is confused what I need to do to earn money, because in the pandemic you know what is happening. Okay, so bonus number 4, I am giving away the lockdown formula. And bonus number 5 is Tweetex. So what is Tweetex all about? Tweetex is the great machine that I ever seen. Tweetex is like a Twitter machine. Okay, like you can generate your Twitter commission instantly.
this is the AI bot. Okay, so what they can do, you need to type a template of message or comment or like shareable links. Okay, so what Twitter can do, they can tweet on Twitter instantly. Okay, so that is my bonus. So let's talk about how you can access my bonuses after purchasing watch to profit. So simply, you need to log in into your Warrior Plus account, and after login into your account, you see your user ID, username. Okay, so you need to click on it, and a drop down menu is open. You need to click on purchase history and select watch to profit. So you see your page something like this. And in Warrior Plus, okay, in JVZoo this is the same process. Okay, so you see here in the bottom of the image, you see your access affiliate bonus. So you need to click on the blue button and you can access my bonuses for free. And if you click on access your purchase, you can create your account instantly. Okay, so I hope that this video is helpful for you, and you get some information about watch to profit. And if you are ready to purchase this, click on the first link on the description if you are watching this video on YouTube. And if you are watching me on this page, on my bonus page, so what you need to do, simply click on any this orange button on my page and you redirect on the sales page of watch to profit, and you are ready and good to go. Okay, so I hope guys this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please support me because I am on very small commissions. So yeah, please help me. And yeah, this is my watch to profit review. I hope guys this video is helpful for you, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.